Oh no, Rocky! Where is it? I can't find it.
Pooja, calm down. What are you looking for?
My boarding pass and my passport. I think I left them at the coffee shop.
Take a deep breath. This is exactly why we're here today, Machi. Welcome to the English Machi.
Okay, I found them. They were in my side pocket. But that panic is real.
Exactly. Airports are stressful. When you are stressed, your English becomes harder to use.
Today, we are going to help you stay calm. We are at the airport to teach you the exact phrases you need so you never feel lost.
In this lesson, we will cover checking in your luggage without paying extra fees, navigating the security checkpoint, understanding those confusing gate announcements, what to say if your flight is delayed.
If you want to travel the world with confidence, this episode is for you. Let's take off. Please like and subscribe to help us grow.
Imagine we are standing in front of the check-in counter. The staff member looks at you and says, "Good morning. Where are you flying to today?"
I say, I'm flying to London.
Then they ask for your documents. "May I see your passport and booking reference, please?"
Booking reference? Is that the same as my ticket?
Yes, it is usually a 6-digit code. Next comes the part everyone hates, the luggage.
They ask, how many bags are you checking in?
I reply, I have 1 suitcase to check and 1 carry-on bag.
Carry-on means the bag I take inside the plane with me, right?
Correct. Sometimes they call it hand luggage. Now they might say, please place your bag on the scale.
Oh no, what if it is too heavy?
They will say, I'm afraid your bag is overweight.
That's a nightmare. What can I say to fix it?
You can ask, how much is the excess baggage fee? Or can I move some items to my carry-on?
That is a great tip. Moving a heavy jacket from the suitcase to your hand can save you $50.
Once you have your boarding pass, you go to security. This is where most people get nervous because the officers speak very fast.
They usually shout, laptops out, shoes off, pockets empty.
It's not a conversation. It's a list of instructions. You need to listen for key words.
What if I have a bottle of water?
They will say no liquids over 100 milliliters. You have to finish it or throw it away.
After security, we look for the gate.
Check the departures board. It will show your flight number and the status.
What are the different statuses? 1, on time, everything is perfect. 2, delayed, the flight is late. 3, boarding, go to the gate now. 4, last call, run, the plane is leaving.
I hate seeing last call. It makes my heart beat fast.
Let's do a slow flow role play. I am the gate agent and Pooja is the traveler.
Good afternoon. We are now boarding flight EM 101 to New York. May I have all passengers for Zone 1, please?
Excuse me, I'm in Zone 3. When can I board?
We will call Zone 3 in about 10 minutes, ma'am. Please have your boarding pass and ID ready.
Thank you. Is the flight still on time?
Yes, we are scheduled for a 2 p.m. departure.
Great. Is there a window seat available? I'd like to see the view.
Let me check. Yes, I can move you to 14A.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Notice how Pooja asked for a window seat. The other options are the aisle seat near the walking path or the middle seat, the one nobody likes.
Rocky, what if the flight is canceled?
That is the worst case scenario. You should go to the customer service desk and ask, my flight was canceled. What are my options?
Will they give me a different flight?
You can ask, can you rebook me on the next available flight? Or will the airline provide a hotel for the night?
Those are advanced phrases, but very important for beginners to learn.
We have covered a lot today, Machi, from the check-in counter to rebooking a flight.
I feel much more confident about traveling now.
Remember, the key to airport English is to listen for the nouns: passport, bag, gate, zone, seat.
Question of the day. Where's the first place you want to fly to when your English is perfect? Tell us in the comments.
We look forward to reading your travel dreams. Thank you for watching the English Machi.
Fly safe, and we'll see you in episode 12. Bye-bye.